What's up, guys? Welcome back to Building Velocity. Got the AM-X12 out. We've been doing some work to it off camera, as you could probably see by the larger wires sticking out here. So I have installed the Mamba Monster 6S ESC. I had to take the fan off to get that dude to fit under the canopy. We're going to be going with a little bit larger battery. As you can see, that's a 5,000 amp I got from Speed Tech, or 5,000 milliamp hour 50C. I ran that dude in the last Poor Boys. It barely fit in the MF01X. Still going to stick with the 1010 motor. Probably going to have to, or I am going to have to solder some new connections on here. Some 6mm. Comes with 4. I've been shortening the wires on the ESC, and I'm shortening the wire on the servo. So you can see just on the servo alone, I cut this much wire off, guys, the length of the car itself. So I purchased one of those kits that with the crimper. I can put a link in the description if you guys would like. For that crimp kit, comes with a whole bunch of these dudes to put new ends on. It comes with the new plug and things like that. Setup's gonna stay the same. Gearing's gonna stay the same for now. Still be running censored. I would like to get a larger can in it eventually, but I'm gonna stick with the 1010 for now because I don't have a motor mount that will work for the larger motor. So we'll stick with that dude for now, but she's coming along, guys. I'm hoping to get the ends soldered up on this guy today and we'll be able to take it out and make a run with it. Hopefully get more than 68. So 68's where we're at right now. We hope to beat that with a little bit bigger battery, less amp draw or less amp drop. So we'll see how that goes. Got some larger, this battery has 8-gauge wire on it. ESC has larger wire on it. So we'll see what we can do with it. Hopefully we can get it in the 70s at least before we switch to the different motor. I do have some 917 stock mounts. I don't know if those will fit or not, but we'll get it apart and check it out, see what we can do, and then the modifications will just keep going, guys. Throughout the year, you're gonna see cars modify and do different stuff. Some of them will stay open wheel, some of them won't. I'm gonna leave mine open wheel 100% as long as I can. I know the open wheel platform can go really fast, guys. I mean, my Typhon has been 124, and it's nowhere near the fastest Typhon out there. Chris over at Mark 1, I know has his in the 130s, 140s, 150s, something like that. It's crazy fast. So with the right setup, these open wheel cars can go super fast. So we're gonna push it as far as we can push it. With the stock body on it. That's at least for me, that's my goal before I move to any other kind of upgrades or GT bodies, anything like that. We're gonna get it as fast as we can get it with the wheels poked out, guys. So stay tuned. Should get this thing ready to go today, and good luck to everybody. Thank you to everybody who is participating. Guys, we're over 50 now, I believe, participants. So pretty sizable competition pretty quickly. So thanks to everybody who's participating. Paul and I certainly appreciate each and every one of you. We appreciate all your comments, all your suggestions. Guys, we didn't expect it to get this big, and we've got a lot of people that are making suggestions. And rest assured, we're taking each and every one of your suggestions into account, and we talk about them. For next year, making the rules a little bit easier on all of us. So we're working it out. next year hopefully will be a little different. We'll expect it to be a little larger next year, but just bear with us, guys. We started this thing out as just only rule was 3S. So as we go, there may have to be some changes, but for now, we're going to stick with what we started with. So I hope you guys have fun. Stay safe. Thanks for watching. If you're subscribed, thank you very much. If you're not, hit that subscribe button down below, guys. There'll be links in the descriptions for anything that I've got on the car. If I missed anything in the description, links wise that you guys are interested in, let me know and I'll throw them down in there. Aside from that, guys, y'all have a great day. Hope some of your weather's getting better so you can make some runs, and we'll see you in the next one.